Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna teach you how to install my mods for F1 Manager 2024, those being the 2012, 2013, and 2014 season mods. The process is the same for all of those. So first things first, extract the 7-zip file. If you're a Patreon member, you can put in the password and it's gonna be very convenient so that you only have to put it once and not many times. Now that you've done that, you can see we have two folders and three text files. We're gonna ignore the README because if you're watching this video, you likely don't want to read the README. We're gonna talk about the other two text files later. We're gonna start from the Steam Apps folder. You have to take this folder and basically paste it into the game directory. So go into Steam Apps, Common, F1 Manager 2024. Go into your game directory. So be sure to click into F1 Manager 2024 and not do this that you're gonna see here. Do not do this. Do not do this. Under torture, don't do this. You must not do this. I'm gonna be very clear. If you don't know your game directory, you can go into Steam, Properties, Installed Files, and Browse, and that's gonna open the game directory. So what you should actually do is go into F1 Manager 2024, F1 Manager 24. Be sure there's F1 Manager 24 and F1 Manager 24 in both folders. Copy and paste. As the files get ported over, I'm going to talk about these two SQL scripts. This SQL script, you should only run it if you are installing from a previous version. Replace any file that's prompted to you. Or if you're still on a version where McLaren has red as a color, that's a bug I forgot to fix. I'm going to fix it in the next update whenever I can, which means when I'm going to get my PC parts updated. This SQL script, you need to run it every season on January 1st. What does this do is it unretires every driver that shouldn't be retired. If you don't know, this game has quite a weird way to handle retirement. So if it sees that a driver doesn't have any future in a Formula One, it's gonna retire the driver way before its actual retirement age. And now the save file. The save file. Before installing the mod, you should choose with which team you want to start. If you're not sure, you can just import all 11 files. To find the folder where you need to install the files, you need to get into AppData. What I just did was Windows plus R to open this thingy. Okay, AppData local, F1 Manager 24, saved, save games. So let's say you want to start off, say, with Force India, okay? Copy and paste Force India. You're not gonna have to replace any files. If you have done all this and the files aren't showing up, so you don't have the save, or the saves you got are still 2024 saves, that means your game is kind of bugged, and it's not a big deal. All you have to do is take autosave, copy and paste it, so Control C, Control V to make a copy, delete autosave.sav, and replace it with Force India. So rename Force India to autosave.sav. The shortcut that I use now was F2 if you're interested. So while I'm at it, I'm also going to teach you how to run these SQL scripts. So go into f1setup.cfd and import your save file, autosave.sav. Okay, you see we're on February 18th. You need to go into modding, then get the text file. Where do I have it? Here it is. Copy and paste. So again, Control C, Control V. No, only Control C. Sorry. Control A, Control C. Okay. So basically, copy it, and you're gonna have to paste it here. If it says executed successfully, you are done. The only thing you need to do is export save file and go into update a local the save folder and replace the file, and you should be good to go. Okay, so if everything went according to plan, when opening the game, you should see this. So the team that you chose, in this case Force India, the livery, the driver suits, and the autosave with Force India. If you haven't done the autosave thingy, you're just gonna see Force India. Click. I don't know if the game's gonna load because again, my RAM is non-existent at this point. If everything's loading fine again, you should have the 2012 season mod or 2013 and 2014 loading screen pop up. I don't know how much it's gonna take to load. I'm afraid quite a while, but oh, not as much as I thought. You see here, everything's working fine. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you haven't, because you still haven't installed the mod, join my Discord server. You can find it on the download page of my 2013 season mod on overtake.gg or in the pinned post on my Patreon profile. And enjoy the mod. Have a good one. See you next time. Peace.